Alright guys, next on the list for a whole house cleaning performance is this Hoover Elite 2 6.0 from 1991. This is basically the modern interpretation of an Elite 600 because it's got the same 6 amp motor as the 600. Actually, hence the 6.0 right there. It's actually to tell you what amperage this motor has. One thing I do find kind of interesting on the older soft bag Elites is that the zipper to gain access to your bag is actually on the right by the tools. Before later models, they moved it off to the left. As you can see, I got a brand new HEPA Type A bag. I love running these HEPA bags. I can't express how much filtration that it improves. Okay, so let's unravel the cord. We'll go ahead and plug it in. And let's get this thing rolling here. Right. Now for the rest of the house. it's all complete. Aside from doing the last video with the Elite 350, I hadn't vacuumed my house in probably over a week. And let's see what this old girl picked up. I'm gonna get the bag out. Wow, and look at that. That's just very impressive. See much more of it down there. So that is just how good one of these old Elites pick up. So that was my house cleaning video with the Hoover Elite 2. Be sure to stay tuned for more, and don't forget to like, rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.